Multimedia University Nature Park is a nature park found in the Multimedia University of Kenya. The nature park offers an habitat to the baboons that are always found around the school. Since the closure of the last semester, the baboons were everywhere in the school, but now the nature park remains deserted as the baboons are nowhere to be seen. The baboons in the Multimedia University offer the students a rare opportunity to witness the beauty of nature. Baboons always move from one place to another in search of a place to rest or a place where they can find food. Wherever they are moving around the school, they could be seen beautifully moving in parks. Baboons with their human-like behaviors makes them stand out in the ecosystem. Their characters makes them coexist with the students easily, as most of them have human-like behaviors which they portray a lot of times. Sometimes you could see them seated holding each other in a manner that suggests they may be comforting each other, or sometimes you could walk in the roads and see them playing around with each other like they understand what they want. Or sometimes they could be doing other things like moving around. Even the most beautiful animals, sometimes they can cause trouble. A couple of times the baboon will chase around the students and even get to the hostels through the windows and take the students' food or items that are left idle to hang around.
Especially what's huenda pale grades za girls blocks A and B, especially they take advantage of broken windows, wanaingia kule ndani, wakikupata uko na food or something to eat, wanaingia ndani wanachukua, wanatoka nazo, and itakuwa mbaya sana if wakupate kule ndani unalala, then wakuje kama group, so it's really a challenge pale block B pale pale wanafunzi wanasomea. Kuna msichana ambaye alikuwa anatoka kwa duka na amenunua mandazi yake, so these baboons wakampata, huwa wanapenda kutembea miguu, so wakapata yule msichana, na yule msichana naye angeweza kukimbia kwa walikuwa wengi, so yule msichana ilibidi tu amenyang'anywa zile vitu ambazo anatoka kwenye duka. So ni challenge kubwa, but we are learning to coexist with them.
Nature Park, once the habitat of the baboons in the Multimedia University of Kenya, right now remains deserted. All you can see when you walk into this nature park through the trees. The baboons are nowhere to be seen in the nature park, which is supposed to be their home, where they exist and do their own things. Nature Park has remained deserted since the beginning of the new semester. The baboons are nowhere to be seen, not even one baboon can be seen. Presence of the baboons in the nature park and in the university premises has always given the university a sense and a touch of beauty, as it shows the university coexists with the ecosystem and they balance well. Now the beauty of the school and the baboons that were glamming and adding touch of life to the school are not in the nature park where they should be coexisting. The baboons have moved to somewhere else, and now the move was never a dull moment with the baboons around the school, as the students could get 1 to 5 minutes of their time to see the baboons jump around.
Once beautiful baboons of the school are nowhere to be seen. The big question is, where are the baboons? Where is the beauty of the school? For MMU TV, I'm Linda Orioki.